Thank you for joining me again today. I am cleaning the grout in my kitchen. I clean the grout in my kitchen once every 6 months or so. My floors do get washed on a regular basis as I have a dog, but the grout, it's hard to get on the knees to clean the grout, so I only do it every 6 months or so when I start noticing the grout is quite dirty. I am using a dry eraser, but you can use any abrasive item that you can get into the grout, but I find the dry eraser does work. This dry eraser does have some soap in it, so that is what you're seeing, the suds there. So I am just using water and the dry eraser and just rubbing up and down the grout area of the tiles, and just working in there just to get the soap function, and then once I'm done I move on to washing the floor. So now I'm just washing the floor and just getting that soap and dirt off the floor. This was a picture of the floor before I cleaned the grout, and then this is the after. As you can see, it is back to the light beige color, similar to the tile, but it did clean up pretty good, and I only have to do this every 6 months or so. But it only took me maybe 20 minutes tops to clean the whole floor, so I should be good for another 6 months. Thanks for joining me.